Hi guys, and welcome back to the Auto Trader Garage. Now, continuing on with our series of videos about the essentials that you need for your DIY home workshop, today we're talking pliers, better yet, getting to grips with them. We're going to take a look at the different types of pliers that you get and the ones that you should have in your toolbox. Alright, starting with your standard everyday set. You know these, you love them. Always very useful for tying off, just getting to grips with things. This is the one that you really should have as a starter. Moving on, a set of high carbon steel side cutters. Now, these are going to be used for trimming off the ends of wires, for stripping wires, for cutting cable ties, for nipping wire, you name it. You could find endless uses for a decent set of side cutters. Moving on, long nose pliers. Now these are for getting into very, very hard to reach places where a normal set of pliers just won't cut it. These are not circular pliers, so don't use them as such. Long nose pliers. If you want to talk about circular pliers, that's these. A set of pliers that have the nibs that have been sort of ground down into a little shape that allows you to get at circlips. This is a set of inner, and then you get a set of outer which reverse and open the other way, which allow you to expand circlips instead of compress them. If you want to compress things, then you really need to get a set of gas pliers. Now these, you don't really use them all that often. But when you really do need to get to very large size nuts and bolts and things that need to be gripped, a set of gas pliers can't go wrong. And last but not least, everybody's personal favorite, Vise Grips, or a locking. This is now for really heavy duty work. Now I use these when have a bolt on one side of a beam or a chassis leg or something, and I need the socket on the other side, and I don't have a spanner that can get in there or the correct size. Really shouldn't be using these for taking things on and off, but extra set of hands. Well, there you go folks, that is the basics of the plier set. Now you can pick these up at any one of your automotive stores, big box stores, or parts suppliers. And a decent set of pliers shouldn't set you back more than 800 Rand. You can get away with about 200 Rand per set. And that is for a good quality set that's going to last you a lifetime and won't snap the minute you put pressure on them. Well, there you have it folks, getting to grips with pliers. We do recommend getting a set of high quality ones that are going to last you a lifetime and just add value to your DIY toolbox.
Search Auto Trader.